'Eight Lincoln Continental convertible. This was a car that I'm told Lincoln lost money every one of these they sold, and they're very expensive besides. They came with a V12 flathead. How cool is that? Count the cylinders, you'll see there's 6 on each side. I'm told that Betty Davis owned one of these and drove it. And this black with a white top tops, red interior, all leather of course. Power windows, and these power windows were hydraulic. Very deluxe chromed up dash. Big skirts, and I think they all had skirts, and they all had Continental kits, which is a term for a spare tire mounted on the back like that. They're called Continental kits. This is a very nice car. Not a recent restoration. I'd say it's an old restoration. It may even be just a really nice original car. Looks to be a very clean survivor. That's what he says. Which means he doesn't know the history either.